Well, this is well. First thing is, I hope it does actually start. I was running it up yesterday, and these things sometimes don't go the next day, but it should be good. This is built this in 2017. But the engine, funnily enough, is actually based on a Yamaha SZR 250RR engine from Japan. So it was originally a 250cc double overhead cam 16-valve engine. So I cut two of those engines in half, welded them together to make a 374cc six-cylinder. But to make it sound like the Honda 6, I've got the same stroke. I made my own crankshaft, roller bearing crank, with Kawasaki KX60 connection rods and neither roller bearings for the mains. So it revs similar to the standard RC174. But you know, you can make your own opinion on that when I start it in a minute. So it might be a bit fluffy until it warms up. Once it warms up, it's okay, but it is loud. So anyway, we'll give it a go.
Yeah, so we've both said now it is loud. So right, well, let's we'll see what happens. I'm going to put this down and put these in, and so yeah, here we go, folks.
Right here as well. How are we going?
I sat behind Jim Redman on the grid. Yeah, and he was braking.
There you go, we did promise it was loud, and I think we fulfilled that promise. I don't know, the earplugs didn't really do much, so I think we're just being joined by someone who actually raced against heavy machines. I think it's called by the noise, it's Mr. Phil Reed, Nelson World Champion. Right, Phil, so it brings back some memories.
Yeah, some terrible memories of foreign Mike. You couldn't get within 10 yards of behind him to slipstream him because the noise was killing your brain.
So Alan's made an authentic replica of the noise as well as the physical bike.
Well, yeah, I remember actually crashing at Dundrod on the hairpin, and I picked the bike up and Mike passed. And if I'd have finished second, I'd have won my 9th World Championship. But the throttle was jammed, and I couldn't start it.
Frustrating times. So, well, lovely to see you, Phil. How are you finding the show? Enjoying it?
And it's wonderful to hear that 6-cylinder again. Fantastic job.
Absolutely, and everyone agrees. Thank you so much, Phil. Now we'll come back to Phil in a bit, but we've got a few other guys here are kindly going to start up some bikes. A few technical difficulties, but we'll give it another go.
Oh, hang on. Try it now, Chris.
Lovely. Well, Phil's going to give us a bit of an insight. Yeah.
very, very noisy. It's good fun and very smelly.
There you go, very noisy, very smelly, but great fun. So yeah, get your fingers ready for your ears again. Fabulous, thank you very much. And we've got some smoke. We said yesterday, most people make an entrance, Alan makes an exit.